Oh damn. That one thing happened. The fuel का है यार. हाँ जी सर. यहाँ से अलाउड नहीं है. So good morning guys, it's almost 4:55 a.m. in the morning almost. I was supposed to wake at 4, but somehow winter has been started in Delhi and it's not that easy to get up in the morning, so I have to get ready there. So somehow chalo, let me get freshened up, then I'll talk with you on in detail. So fatafat, let's get freshened up quickly, then I'll give you the update that where I am going today. Whoa. So yes, I am freshened up now. I am ready to leave. It's almost 5:33 a.m. in the morning, and definitely it took me time because taking bath and packing all the things. And today the date is 12th of November, and day after tomorrow it's Diwali. So wishing you a belated happy Diwali. But yeah, this video will come on 15th of November. So let me tell you where I am going today. So we are going to Damdama Lake, which is almost in Gurgaon, almost at the end. I don't know exactly, and it's from my home. It's 36 kilometers. Almost you can take 35 kilometers approx. And yeah, this is going to be really enjoyable because almost after 6 months I am going on a proper ride. Otherwise I used to ride in the city on Sundays usually, but definitely this is going to be really interesting. My friend is also coming, so we both of us are going, and definitely this is going to be really enjoyable. Let's see how it goes. I charged my GoPro, everything is now okay. Even I am carrying power bank also with me because I don't have trust on the GoPro's battery because I am having a single battery, so that's a problem. I'll meet you straight on the bike because I was supposed to leave here by 5:30, but still I am sitting here yaar. It's not that easy to wake in the morning, and winters भी start हो गए हैं Delhi में. That's why I was bit kind of sleepy. Then somehow I woke up, and yeah, it's almost 1 hour late I woke up here, but definitely this is bad. So chalo, I'll straightly meet you on the bike. So yes, I am ready right now to leave, but again I am waiting for my friend who is just about to come. The time now is 6:10 a.m. and it's almost 34 kilometers. So yes, definitely it's going to take some time. 1 hour 3 minutes. Let's see the exact ETA is 7:14 a.m. Let's see how it goes here, and this is going to be one of the interesting trips. And yeah, I have not filled up the fuel because the fuel stations guys are saying it will take time, so let's see how it goes here.
A few moments later,
and exact of trip starts at 6:20 a.m. We are supposed to leave here by 5:45 a.m. Chalo, no scene. Oh shit, I guess I am facing some fuel issues, so I have to look for the fuel stop. So I have to put it on the reserve yaar, warna the बहुत it will be a bad thing for me. So I have to look for the fuel stops. So yes, so yeah, so most of you will think with gloves how is my mobile touch is working. So I switched my mobile to the glove mode, that's why it's working very good. But such a long route, I think I want to see the nearest one yaar. So sun, and talking about the air quality in Delhi yaar, it's very poor yaar. मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ, it's severe, but I hope nobody burst crackers this time. Again due to pandemic यार, it's very situation मतलब tough situation to handle the pollution. Again यार, it's very irritating. So I didn't inform my friend that I need to fill a fuel. Already my bike is on reserve right now. So let's see how this goes. And yeah, during first ride all this chota mishappenings will happen. Oh, I don't know why suddenly there is too much of smog, or otherwise my visor is fogging up. I don't know man. Chalo, I'll directly meet you at the fuel after fuel break. So yes, now I have filled the fuel and now we are good to go. But yeah, I have to be very slow again. It's that wind blast is hitting me a lot. Again, the winter has been started in Delhi. And yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this is probably the first ride and your intro to INE. So what's up, wonderful people? I am back with another new vlog. I hope every one of you is doing absolutely great. So this is the first time I am doing proper ride after 6 months. Otherwise I used to ride in this city. Again, you know, the pandemic which has hit the world badly right now, so we are unable to explore the out of Delhi right now, outstation and all. Again, it's a tough times that we have to face, but somehow we thought ki at least we should go for some small aesthetic views. So that's why we thought we'll go to Damdama Lake. And again, the Damdama Lake I last went was on almost 2007 or 8. And let's see how it goes. Chalo, I think sunrise time ho gaya. That's why Google is now, the Google Maps is now white. So my average speed is going to be almost 80 kilometers an hour. Usually we can't take. Abhi we are literally, मतलब क्या ही बोले कि फट चुकी है हमारी. When we try to rev up about 70 kilometers or more than that, again that cold wind blast is hitting us very badly, yaar. So, and quick update, we have almost completed 16 kilometers as of now. Definitely it's going to relax me, and again we are going to enjoy this a lot. Again, I thought I would find traffic and all, but definitely it's almost showing 40 minutes, so we have to take right from here. Oh damn. That one thing happened. The fuel cap है यार. यार लॉक नहीं हुआ यार. लॉक तो करा पता नहीं यार क्या पता नहीं यार. I was getting some sound, but definitely and something fell down and it came. I hope. Huh? Oh, the fuel cap fell down over there, and definitely that's good thing we stopped on time. I think I didn't lock the fuel cap really well. Again इसमें crack आ गया, but somehow चलो, I thought this thing you have to take care. Oh, so we have to take another route here. The police, the cops are not allowing us to go there, so we have to take another. So this is the first off-road for us. I don't know how this is going to be here. Again, we don't know. Oh, this is slipping here. Oh man. Oh, that is रेत में फिसल रही है भाई. Oh man, I don't know how Aman is handling. Oh man. So yes, we are almost entered Damdama Lake. Oh, again I don't know where it's showing right now. Oh yes, here it is. Wow, this is so amazing, yaar. So amazing. Wow. Now it's saying make a U-turn. Finally reached here. Again we had some bad instances, but somehow these views are amazing here. I can see some boats over there. I don't know where is Aman. Yeah, he has come. Again I can see some boats over there. Boating also happens, I think. Here I remember there was a adventure camp here. We were doing all those adventure activities when I was in third class. Again, a beautiful sunrise, some beautiful boats over there, and a resort. Definitely, yaar, this place has changed a lot where what I saw almost 12 years back. And I can see some झूलाs over here. कैसी थी भाई ट्रिप? हाउ है?
हालत खराब हो गई।
बट हाँ वो भाई, लेकिन हालत तब खराब हुई जब वी वर राइडिंग इन द सैंड।
हाँ यार देख ना, हो गया काम।
So okay, now we are leaving this Damdama. Whoa, bike is again slipping a lot. Chalo, anyways, let's go back home. So we swapped the bikes for a while. Again, yaar, I love riding this R15, yaar. So this is R15 V3 version BS4, yaar. I love riding this. Wow. Again, yaar. Again, I am not used to the racing posture, but I ride this bike. But yaar, definitely for long rides, it will give me a tough competition. I mean, tough. Oh, so this is the sound of the keychain. But yeah, definitely it's a good power, good torquey engine, yaar. Even I don't feel any kind of vibrations. The mirrors are clearly visible as of now. Wow, amazing, yaar. This is really amazing. But again, if the Yamaha produces the adventure bike with the same engine, yaar, I will definitely buy the bike of Yamaha, yaar. It's definitely, I love the, if considering the 150cc bike, I will definitely go with the R15, yaar. The engine is so powerful, yaar, with this. I love the engines of Yamaha. So yes, some police people are here. I hope they don't stop. हाँ जी सर, सर दिल्ली जा रहे हैं वापसी।
उधर से जाओ भाई, अब इधर से
यहाँ से अलाउड नहीं है।
आप उस टाइम में
अरे